Did you know that nearly 80% of Americans feel anxious about their financial future, and only a small percentage have clear financial goals? That's the difference between. Hey everyone, I'm Emma, your guide to smarter money habits and long-term financial wins. Welcome back to Wealth Mindset, where we help you unlock the power of a wealthy mindset. If you're ready to take control of your money and build the future you deserve, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a Money Smart. Success is not just about money, but about living a meaningful life. It's about having the freedom to choose how you imagine your ideal life in 5, 10, or 20 years. Visualize where you are, what you are doing, and who is with you. Understand the difference between needs and wants. Needs are the basics for survival and stability, while wants are. Set your life priorities. Money should serve what matters most, whether that's family, career, health, or adventure. Align your financial goals with your purpose. When your goals reflect your true passion and values, you'll stay. Setting financial goals is like planning an exciting adventure. To succeed, you need to follow the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time. Vague ideas won't get you far. Instead of saying "I want to save more," set clear targets like "want to save $5,000 in 12 months." This clarity gives your journey purpose, and big goals can feel overwhelming. That's why it's smart to break them down into short-term, mid-term, and long-term targets, like paying off credit card debt in 6 months, or writing down your goals makes them real. It keeps you motivated and focused. Studies show that people who write their goals are more likely to achieve them. Life changes all the time. That's why you should regularly revisit and adjust your financial goals, like updating your map during a long journey to stay on track. Track every dollar in and out. Knowing your income, expenses, and spending habits is the first step to control your money. It's like mapping the terrain before your adventure. Prioritize needs, then allocate to goals. Always pay yourself first. Treat saving as a vital mission that must be accomplished. Your future self will thank you for it. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a starting point. Begin your budget with this simple guide: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings or debt payments. Think of it as a map with set monthly goal milestones. Break your big goals into smaller monthly targets. Achieving these milestones keeps your motivation alive. Every small victory brings you closer. Be flexible but disciplined. Budgeting is a powerful tool to guide you, not restrict you. Be ready to adjust when life changes, but stay committed to your mission. Adapt and start with a small cushion. Even $500 can be a lifesaver in tough times. It's your first step towards financial security. Set a target of 3-6 months of expenses. This is your safety net if life throws unexpected challenges like losing a job or medical costs. It gives you peace of mind. Make it automatic. Setting up an automatic transfer ensures you stay on track without thinking about it every month. It's a smart financial habit. Avoid dipping into it. Your emergency fund is only for real emergencies like medical issues or job loss. Stay disciplined and protect it. Reassess annually based on life changes. When your life grows, new family, new job, or new responsibilities, your emergency fund should grow too. Adjust and stay ready. The first step to conquering debt is understanding what you owe. Write down all your debts, including the amount and interest rate. This clarity is like creating a treasure map. Now that you know what you owe, choose your strategy. The snowball method focuses on small victories first, while the avalanche method attacks the biggest threat. Pick the be smart and negotiate better terms. You can ask for a lower interest rate or combine multiple debts into one easier payment. These tools are like powerful gadgets for your Stay focused and avoid taking on new debt while paying off the old. Imagine guarding your treasure from new dangers. Protect your progress by saying no to unnecessary. Celebrate every milestone to keep your spirit high. Each debt you conquer is a victory. Reward yourself and keep moving forward toward your financial freedom. Start early because time is the most powerful tool in investing. Even a small amount invested today can grow into a fortune over decades through the power of compounding. Understanding risk and reward is crucial in investing. The market may seem scary, but learning and facing it wisely brings success. Know your risk tolerance and invest. Diversifying your portfolio means spreading your investments across different assets. It reduces risk and protects you from losing everything in one bad investment. Don't put. Automating your investments is like setting your future on autopilot. By consistently investing every month, you remove emotion and stick to your plan effortlessly. Let your reviewing and rebalancing your investments keeps them aligned with your goals. Check your portfolio every year and adjust it to match your risk and life situation. Stay on. Create a financial dashboard or use a journal. Tracking your progress monthly will help you stay focused. This allows you to see how far you've come and what you need to. Set regular money check-ins. Reviewing your finances weekly or bi-weekly with a partner or alone keeps your goals alive. It's like checking your map before continuing your. Celebrate wins, big or small. Every achievement is a sign of progress and strengthens your confidence to move forward. No win is too small to be proud of. Adjust goals based on life events. Sometimes the road changes unexpectedly. Being flexible helps you stay on track even if your path looks different. Find an accountability partner or join a community. Support from others makes your financial journey more enjoyable and sustainable. You're never alone on this path. So there you have it, a full roadmap to setting crystal clear financial goals that actually stick. From defining your vision to tracking your wins, every step moves you closer to. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Wealth Mindset, and share this with someone who's ready to level up their money game. Let's keep the conversation going. Drop a comment below and tell us, what's one financial goal you're setting this year? We'd love to hear from you and cheer you on. This is Emma with Wealth Mindset. Remember, the power of a wealthy mindset can transform your future. Thanks for watching, and until next time.